Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to make your regular disposable lighter go from a flame like this to this. So you're going to take your disposable lighter, and first thing you're going to need to do, this needs to be a disposable lighter that you can adjust the flame up and down. And as you can see, if you adjust it up, it'll go up a little bigger, but we're going to make it even bigger than that. So what you need to do is you need to pry off this little lighter shield right here that shields the gas valve, just like so. And you need to get to this little mechanism here. So as you can see, this is just a little gear system. This thing goes down on the white gear, which increases or decreases the amount of gas that is let out. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, first of all, set it down and press it all the way to the plus side. So plus is over here, minus is over here. Then from there, when it's all the way to the plus side, you're going to press this piece up, this black piece, and then you're going to turn it without turning the gear underneath. Just got to lift it up and then just kind of shimmy it over a little bit, and you're going to basically put it all the way to the minus side again, but you're not going to move the gear underneath it, just the top piece, just like so. And then you press it back down onto the gear, then rotate the gear again all the way to the plus side. And we're going to do this one more time. Lift it up, move it over, push it down, and turn the gear again. And then now we're going to go ahead and put our piece back on, and we should be done. So here is the final result. Bam! That's a much bigger flame. Well, that's it for this tutorial, guys. If this helped you out, please smack that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this or tons of other videos I have that you can check out on my channel. Turn on post notifications so you're notified every time that I post a new video. And that is all for this video, guys. I will see you next time.